kept on reviewing our code and how we are practicing things. So that made things easier for me. So after those reviews, it helped me a bit. Like they told me like the areas that I need to improve on. We had a lot of mentors for us, and every time we need to have any help and all, we reached out to them very easily. Like it was very easy to reach out to them. So when I got a call for the HR round, I was like, oh my god, did I really make it? I was in my third year of engineering, and I'm from ECE background. So basically, I was very good with Python, and I was coding in that area. So I didn't know much about this web development also. I was still exploring in that machine learning and stuff. And apart from that, studies wise, I'm good with it. But technology thing and all, I just use it to code in Python, nothing much with web development and stuff. Prograd, previously we took a course in Prograd. I got a mail regarding ThoughtWorks saying that they're hiring for ThoughtWorks. So that's how I got to know about it. At first, I didn't have any hopes. I didn't even know it was like a higher program. Like I was thinking it was training and just an internship. So I didn't think it was for a job opportunity and all. So I was just going with the flow. I didn't feel tensed at the beginning. But later, in the third round or so, I got to know about the whole details. Like it's not just for a train and hire. Like it's gonna be a full time job opportunity and all. So that's things got tensed. At fourth round and fifth round, I was really preparing, like giving my best to all of it. So it was good. Like even the technical rounds, all they asked things where I use it to struggle a lot. But since I prepared, it went good, just good. I didn't have any hope after that interview that I would get a call for the HR round. So when I got a call for the HR round, I was like, oh my god, did I really make it? I didn't expect that. I used to code till 12 or 1 at night, and I was like, no, it's not getting over. I need to put in more into this. I was scared in the first, like at the first, I didn't get used to Java because you know that there's a huge shift from Python to Java. Everything changes. Like maybe the didn't change, but the syntax, it was for me like, I'm not getting this. But later on, when the weeks got like, when we're going over all the weeks and the slabs and assessments, and also the reviews from Prograd, they kept on reviewing our code and how we are practicing things. So that made things easier for me. So after those reviews, it helped me a bit. Like they told me like the areas that I need to improve on. So I concentrated on that more because of the reviews. I can say that I just survived. We had a lot of mentors for us, and every time we need to have any help and all, we reached out to them very easily. Like it was very easy to reach out to them. Also the code help in Slack and everywhere, they were using every technology possible to help us, and they supported us a lot during our exam time and all. So it felt like more approachable. Prograd was more approachable. I can say that they were 24/7 available, so I felt very good about it. And even the reviews were so genuine. So they didn't make us feel bad or make us lose confidence and all, but they made us more confident in the areas that we need to improve on. So I can say that they introduced us the good coding practices also. I do have fears and some insecurities, like thinking like there will be many other experienced people inside, but I'm looking forward to learn many other new things along with them. Like I want to use this insecurity of mine first, and then also grow as a community first. Like I want to improve myself both personally and professionally inside ThoughtWorks. Yeah, I would say Prograd is definitely the right choice for your dreams come true. And also, whatever the steps that ahead of you, just go and face it brave. Like, don't be feared of them and all. And whatever the decisions that you make, just put in all your best into it, and so that you don't regret in the future. So give it your best and for the best. That's it. First of all, don't lose hope. It may seem difficult at first, but trust me, there will be a lot to learn, and definitely you'll grow yourself to great heights. And definitely you will be pushing your boundaries, but it will affect you in a very good way.
Your dream tech career at a top product company is just a step away. Visit prograd.org, check out our latest tech programs, and kickstart your dream career in tech.